Roofs, terraces, and walls are essential components of any building that require protection from harsh weather conditions. The constant exposure to the elements can cause significant damage, leading to costly repairs and replacements. Fortunately, the HORIZON CHIMIQUE System offers an effective solution that guarantees long-lasting protection for these vital structures. It consists of 5 products that work together to provide a reliable shield against the elements. These products are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for construction professionals and homeowners to apply them. The first product in the system is the HPE Primer. This product ensures good adhesion to the HPE waterproofing membrane, which is the foundation of the HORIZON CHIMIQUE system. The HPE membrane provides a protective layer that prevents water from seeping through the surface, protecting the structure from water damage. Next is the Horiflex 110, a flexible sealant, specially designed for sealing expansion joints and cracks from 3 to 6 mm. Expansion joints and cracks are common in buildings, and if left unsealed, they can be entry points for water, causing significant damage. The HoriEtanche waterproofing sealant is the 4th product in the system. This product forms a flexible, impermeable layer on the surface, providing additional protection against water and moisture. The HoriEtanche is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring that the structure remains dry and protected. To further enhance the liquid waterproofing membrane's durability, the HORIZON CHIMIQUE system incorporates a geotextile. This 60 to 80 GM2 polyester fiber geotextile is used to reinforce the liquid membrane against cracking. The geotextile acts as a reinforcement layer, making the system even more resilient and long-lasting. Horiflex 100 is another vital product in the HORIZON CHIMIQUE system. It is a sealant specifically formulated for strengthening corners, which are prone to cracking and water ingress. The Horiflex 100 creates a robust barrier, reinforcing these critical areas to prevent any potential water damage. One of the significant advantages of the HORIZON CHIMIQUE system is its ease of application. The products are designed to be user-friendly, making it possible for anyone to apply them without professional help. This not only saves time and money, but also ensures that the products are applied correctly for maximum effectiveness. Moreover, the HORIZON CHIMIQUE system offers long-lasting protection. The combination of high-quality products and proper application guarantees a durable and effective solution for protecting roofs, terraces, and walls. This means that the structure will be safeguarded from potential damage for an extended period, reducing the need for costly repairs and replacements. In conclusion, the HORIZON CHIMIQUE system is a reliable and effective solution for protecting roofs, terraces, and walls from the elements. Its 5 products work together to provide a comprehensive shield that is easy to apply and offers long-lasting protection. As a result, this system is highly recommended for any building that requires protection against harsh weather conditions.